Okay, here we go. Drilling for oil. Alright, time to bring out the big guns. Oh. Here we go, there we go. There you go. Nice. Let there be light. Look at all that. Look at that. That's the workshop down there. And if you look really, really hard, you can probably see the engine. Look at that. It's whole. Yeah. Hole! Look! Oh, almost whole. Just got to get rid of those joists, those two joists there, that one and that one, and make a strengthened platform over here, which we can step on, and your stairway going all the way down here. There you go, big hole. So do you like my hole? Yeah. Big enough?